What's going on, guys? It is Bobby Costin here with your New Texas Home Group, and once again we have another special surprise for you. Today we are going to be touring 1106 Knollcrest Drive here in Mansfield, Texas, and currently this is the most expensive home in the city. It is currently listed at $3.5 million. It is 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, and a little bit over 6,000 square feet, and I can't wait to show you. We got a lot to cover, so let's go in and take a look. Come on. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at 1106 Knollcrest Drive. This is a beautiful home, and you guys are in for a treat today. Got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get this started. As you can see, you walk up and you have a nice huge patio, kind of California style patio, because you got the gravel over here, some desert plants, and then a huge wrought iron door that is super heavy. And you walk right in and you are greeted with this beautiful light fixture. You also see these wrought iron railings, nice oak flooring. As you can see, we'll start our tour over here on the left. This is your formal office. See all the natural light in here. And then they even have this built in. And you have a closet right over here. Some extra storage space, nothing too crazy. Then of course you have these almost floor to ceiling glass doors, which is really nice. And we're gonna start on the first floor today. So which way you guys wanna go, left or right? Yeah, we're gonna go right. As you guys can see right here, this is gonna be your first secondary bedroom. You have a coat/linen closet here. And here's your first secondary bedroom. The ceilings are incredibly high, and then each bedroom in this home is going to have its own full bathroom. So as you guys can see, you have a full standing shower with a toilet and then a walk-in closet right over here. Now we'll make our way to the left side. And you have this kind of like little staging area. You can put some stuff here, and then of course it's a half bath. So this will be your guest bathroom. And then guys, look at this. This video might not do it justice, but this place is huge. I could probably say that this is about half of a football field, just from this back wall all the way to that other wall over there. Now, as you can see, you have plenty of light coming through these backyard doors that slide all the way open. And we'll come here to the kitchen. As you guys can see, huge Texas-sized island, huge Texas-sized fridge. You have not one, not two. Actually, you do only have two. Yeah, you have one, you have two ovens, and then you also have a microwave, I believe. I think they're actually both prep microwave, and then you have one oven over here. And then of course you have this Wolf full 6-burner gas range with the warmer in the middle. Hidden vents, and then you have a prep kitchen over here with a wine cooler and more fridge space. This is a beautiful prep kitchen with plenty of space. And if we come this way, you can see your pantry hidden off to the side over here. Full walk-in pantry, plenty of storage going up to the top. Then here you have your mudroom, which is beautiful. I love this color, the bronze, and I don't really know what kind of, this is like a green brown. And here you have a storage closet. So coat closet, storage closet. And then here you have your first 2-car garage. Yes, first 2-car garage. And it is huge. Plenty of space for 2 cars, maybe a smaller vehicle or a motorcycle. You want to use it for storage. Then we go over here. Then you're gonna have your utility room, laundry room, whatever you want to call it. I love the colors in here. It's that same kind of bronze, green-ish, brownish. Love the hexagonal tile on the floor. And you have more storage space, kind of like a little desk area over here. And this is your other 2-car garage. You have coated flooring. And I think there's more storage over there as well. That's another door. I think that's leading out to the backyard. So plenty of space. Now let's go check out the other side. Like I said, guys, you're in for, if you guys are here, you guys will be getting your steps in. This home is huge. So we'll go around here. I love how you guys can look out into your backyard, see your backyard kitchen, outdoor kitchen. You have an outdoor fireplace, and a putting green that we'll show you guys here in a bit. But first, let's go down this hallway. As you can see, you have another full bathroom over here that leads out to the backyard. So this could kind of almost be like another guest bathroom with a full standing shower with floor to ceiling tile, ceramic tile, which is really nice. More storage right over here. Linen closet. I guess that is that second door to that other 2-car garage. And then this is like a flex space. Could probably be used as a bedroom. There is no closet in here, but this could be a gym. This could be a media room, whatever you want to do with it. There's a double door and also a door that takes you out to the backyard. And then, alrighty, y'all. Now we're gonna go to the opposite wing of the home and check out the primary suite and the ensuite bathroom and look at this floor to ceiling tiled fireplace, huge TV. I think this is like over 100-inch TV. You have like a little another staging storage space over here. You have another door that leads out to your backyard area. And then here you have the primary suite, which is huge, recessed ceiling, beautiful natural lighting. These windows let in a lot of light. And you have a single barn door that reveals your ensuite. You have a beautiful, huge garden tub. Once again, it is pretty much all completely tiled. And you have a beautiful his and hers sink, vanity mirrors, plenty of storage. Over here, have your throne room. Because if you're buying this house, you probably are calling it a throne room. And then if you go back here, this is your wall-to-wall full walk-in shower with double rain heads. We love that. All brassed out. Once again, floor to ceiling tile. And then here is her closet. All of this is her closet. But no, this is plenty of space. Storage goes all the way to the top of the ceiling. Plenty of cubbies over on this side. He'll probably have just this cubby and she'll have the rest. That makes perfect sense to me. Alrighty, guys. Now, let's go take a look at the upstairs. And for this, I'm going to pass it over to my lovely wife so she guys can show you that part of the house. And let's go.
Alrighty, guys. So now let's take a tour of the upstairs of this beautiful home. I really love the flooring. It is oak wood. Just gives it a nice, elegant feel throughout the home. Now, if you like the downstairs, you're in for a special surprise upstairs because there are so many rooms. So over here, you have a nice overlook. At the bottom, beautiful chandelier. You have a nice long walkway. We're gonna go here to your right to your first bedroom. And like Bobby mentioned, every room has its own bathroom, which is really nice. That way nobody has to fight for a restroom. Nice spacious rooms. Lots of natural lighting throughout the home, which we love. Good size closet space. Now we're gonna go into our upstairs living area. This could be your media room, your game room, beautiful TV, nice size. And then you're also gonna have your bar area if you like to entertain. There's another cooler. You have some storage space in here. Then we're gonna go to the right side, and here you're gonna have a flex area slash room, which I think would make a perfect fitness area slash gym, because you could have all your mats, your weights, and then lots of nice storage space over here. But you could use it for whatever you want, storage, make another bedroom. Then here you're gonna have more closet space. And down to the hall, we're gonna see another bedroom with another ensuite bath. This room is nice and private at the end of the home, overlooking the neighborhood. Again, you're gonna have a nice size closet in here. Now let's make our way. To the other side of upstairs. Such a spacious living area up here. Then you're gonna find another restroom up here. Now this would be perfect for guests because it's not in the room, but it's right beside it. But it is a full bathroom. And then right next door, you're gonna have another full bedroom. And again, these bedrooms are just really spacious. Again, nice size closet space. Now we're gonna go to the backyard and see what all of that has to offer.
Alrighty guys, now let's check out this backyard. Now guys, I didn't tell you, but this lot is on half an acre. And you might be looking right now and saying, it doesn't really look like half an acre, Bobby. Well, just give me a second. First, let's look at this outdoor fireplace, TV combo. And then if you look over here, and not only do you have turf throughout most of this garage, you also have a full chef-style outdoor kitchen with a full Wolf 6-burner grill, which is beautiful. You have a heating tray, you have fridge, you have more storage, and a sink out here. Is that not crazy? Now you come over here, and as you can see, you have beautiful turf, artificial grass here. You have a rock facade over there with some beautiful plants. This is fully paved. And then over here, you have your own putting green, which is really nice. Look at this, guys. Yeah, putt-putt in your backyard. Not everybody can say that. And of course, you can get right into your driveway over there. And if we go over here to the other side of the backyard, and this is where that half an acre starts to feel like half an acre, because your backyard is super long. Go all the way over here. You see you could have a paved area with a cool fire pit and even more space, even if you wanted to add a small pool. If you want to move some things around, you got natural grass over here, privacy fence, and you got a stone/brick retaining wall over here.
Thank you guys for taking a tour with us today. This is 1106 Knollcrest Drive in Mansfield, Texas. This home is currently listed for about $3.5 million. If you like what you see and you're interested in this home, feel free to contact us down below, or if you're looking for a different home in a different area, please contact us down below. We would love to work with you. My name is Monica. I work alongside my husband Bobby Costin, and we're Union Texas Home Group. See you next video.